Assalamualaikum and a pleasant day to each and every one of us. So, before that, allow me to introduce myself first. I am Siti Haina Isalik, and this video presentation is all about understanding the real goal of Nole Mi Tangere. So, just keep on watching. Written by our dearest national hero Dr. Sarzal, was multifaceted and deeply impactful. So, the novel aimed to expose the ills of this Philippine society under the Spanish colonial rule during the 19th century. So, in this video is that we're going to talk about the keys and the goals and of course the messages conveyed through the Nola Mi Tangere. So, just keep on watching. So, the Nola Me Tangere word is a Latin word. So, if we're going to translate it into English, is that the Nola Me Tangere means touch me not. So, now we've done discussing about the translation of Nola Me Tangere from English to its term, Latin, and Latin into English term. So, we're now proceeding to the key aspect of the real goal or the messages of the our national hero novel Nola Me Tangere. So, I prepared here four key aspects of the real goal um of Nalam Tangere for us to easily understand what are those things. So first, we have here promoting nationalism. So what with this promoting nationalisms? So promoting nationalism is that one of the primarily object of the novel was to foster a sense of nationalism among we as a Filipino. When we say nationalism, ang pagiging makabansa natin. So that is the main purpose of that novel. So by highlighting the injustices and abuses suffered by the Filipino under Spanish colonization. So we Filipino, we are all familiar kung paano tayo inabuso ng mga Spanish. So Rizal, our national hero, aimed to awaken a spirit of patriotism and pride in one's country. So that is the first things na ini-aim or the goal or the message of the Noli Me Tangere. So I have here for the second one is that the social critic wherein Rizal used the novel to critique the social, our political and religious issues prevalent here in our country, which is the Philippine society. Syempre, itong issues na ito is that the prevalent issue that time is Rizal. Pero we all know that up until now is that meron pa rin mga issues na to. So the narrative shed light on the abuses of clergy and the corruption here in our Philippine government and the plight of the common people aiming for the awareness and the change. So for the um for the number three key aspect of the messages of the Noli Me Tangere is that we have the cultural preservation. From its term, cultural preservation, preserve ang mga culture here in the Philippines. So, through the characters and event in the novel, Rizal sought to preserve and promote Philippine culture. The novel emphasized the importance of respecting Filipino traditions, values, and heritage amidst the pressure of colonial influence. So although pinahirapan talaga tayo ng mga Spanish is that still ang nasa intentions pa rin ni Rizal kaya sinulat niya ang novel na Nola Me Tangere is that para ma-preserve pa rin ang mga yun nga yung mga nasabi kanina. Kasi we all know that this Philippine, our country, is that masagana masyado in terms of our cultural heritage, our tradition itself, and of course, even our paniniwala. Kasi we all know that in this Philippines, in this country, is that there's a lot of different religion. So for the last one is that I have here inspiring change. So yun nga naman po ang pinupunto talaga ng Nole Me Tangere is para siguro maalis first and foremost ang pananakop at pagmamalupit ng mga Spanish. And the next one is that the Nole Me Tangere serve as a call to action for the Filipino people. So through this Nole Me Tangere is that the exposing the harsh realities of Spanish rule. So Rizal aimed to inspire his countrymen to strive for social reform, fight against oppressions, and work towards a better future for their nations. So in essence, the real goal of Nole Me Tangere was to ignite a sense of national identity. Tayo na Filipino is that para makilala, hindi para api-apihin, kundi para makilala kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga Filipino. The next one is that promote social justice and encourage Filipino to stand up oppression and fight for their rights. So aside from the previous discussion that we've discussed about the key aspects of the message of the Noli Me Tangere is that para din mambu, para sa ating mga Filipino na dapat ay lumaban tayo kung ano nga ba ang mga rights natin. Kasi yung lahat tayo na individual, lahat tayo na Filipino is that meron tayong kanya-kanyang rights and we need to fight for those rights. And of course, the novel remains timeless up until now. Alam naman natin na ilang years na yung lumipas but still it is a timeless masterpiece that continue to resonate with readers, we as students na bumabasa noon. And of course, emphasizing the importance of unity, resilience, and the pursuit of a better society for all. So, that would be the end of my video presentation. I hope you like it and I hope in this um small period or a few period of time is that meron pa rin kayong na-gain na knowledge within this video. So again, thank you so much for your listening and for watching this video. So once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.